Hey y'all, it's good to see you again. Appreciate you joining me today. I want to answer a question that is given to me a lot, and that is it absolutely necessary to have professional quality photos done when I'm listing my home? I get that question all the time, and the answer is yes. So I have asked a good friend of mine, Elisa McQuinn, to come in, and she's a professional photographer, but she is also a leading edge real estate agent, and so she knows both worlds very well. But I've asked her to come in and share with us a little bit of the data regarding uh, having pictures done professionally for your homes. So Elisa, never mind.
It is what it is.
I do that all the time.
We laugh about it.
Uh,
I was supposed to be named Lisa, but they threw an A in and just
yeah,
messed everything up.
messed everything
Yep.
up.
Yep. So again, I'm Elisa McQuinn. I am the owner and photographer of Home Sweet Home Photography here in North Alabama. I've been a photographer for 12 years now in various stages of photography. But when I got back into real estate, I was like, I'm gonna take my own pictures, so I might as well make a business out of it.
That's right.
That's one of the things that Tim Knox. We always talk about him. We did his entrepreneur class, and he helped me birth that baby. That's my little background. So I'm actually really glad that Collie brings this up because you wouldn't believe the amount of people that will say, well, I'll just take cell phone pictures of this one because it's not a big deal, right? Not a big deal. And funny enough, like we shot a mobile home the other day,
Yeah.
and it really gives your listing that zing. And 32% of homes sell faster with professional photography. And you're gonna get anywhere from like $3,000 to $11,000 more for that home because you've represented it so well to begin with. So it's definitely something that I say. It doesn't matter if we're shooting a tiny home or we're shooting a mansion. Like it's gonna deserve that photography. It's gonna and even drone shots and
Right.
video. There's so many things you can do to just really promote your listing these days. And with all the AI apps that are available, even if you just get photos, you can do a lot with just photos
Yeah.
with all the apps that are available now. So, yeah, it's definitely going to just amplify your listing. And in this day and age when the market's so
Kind of slow
interesting,
down. Yeah,
interesting.
interesting.
I was trying to be nicer, but
uh,
yeah, slow down. It's
uh,
just it's kind of it can be kind of hit or miss. You definitely want to always have that extra thing that sets your listing above everybody else's.
right, right. So answer this for me. So what is involved uh, for you as a photographer? What's involved in doing the professional photography?
So if I have a lot of heads up, meaning more than 48 hours, I'll usually send out a checklist. So and I let the agent pick, right? Because you know your buyer or your seller better than I do, right? Me, I want the full list. I want all the things. Whereas you might get people that are in over their heads. They've got a sick parent that they're trying to get to, whatever they need to get it done. So I have an in-depth list and I have a quick list. The top three things that I tell everybody to do, no matter how much time you have, are these. Okay, clean your ceiling fans, because if you're like my husband, he just keeps the bedroom fan on all the time. And I turn it off once a week and it's gross, right?
Right.
You get people that have never turned off their ceiling fans in the 5 years they've lived somewhere and they're like, wow, I didn't know that was like that. So clean your ceiling fans. Um, Clean your windows inside and out. That includes your bathroom mirrors. So any glass surface or surface that is going to reflect back. When I do those really pretty window pools where you can see the image, like that you and I can see, but doesn't always show in pictures,
Right.
called a window pool. If your windows are gross, that's what I see. And I can only do so much with that.
Right.
And then the third thing is just declutter. And that can mean a lot of different things for different people. But I always say, like, basically, you get 2 appliances on your countertops, right? You get a coffee maker, maybe a toaster or whatever, right? Everything else has got to go.
Well, I know I was sharing recently in a video about decluttering, and it's not just taking personal pictures down off the walls. It's also clearing flat surfaces,
Yep.
whether it's the kitchen counter, whether
Mhm.
it's the a bedroom dresser or whatever, you clear it as much as possible so that mainly so that buyer can see themselves in that home.
Mhm.
So,
And it sets you up for showings too, because if you're already ready for it in pictures, it kind of goes ahead and sets you up for showings.
right.
I usually tell people too, like bathrooms go, right? You take a basket, you put what things you need in there, toothpaste, deodorant, your body wash, all that stuff, right? That goes in a basket and it goes in the closet.
Right.
When you need it, you pull it out for a showing, you throw it all in the basket, put it out.
Yep. Well, I really appreciate you coming and sharing with us today. It is important to get professional photography. I want to share with you one thing, and I can't speak for all agents, but I know for Team Foster, uh, professional photography is part of our package. So it does not come out of your money, it comes out of our pocket. And so we do that as a courtesy to the ones who are selling that we are listing their homes. And I owe you some money.
He does, but it's okay.
But anyway, no, I appreciate you coming and sharing with us today. And folks, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number and Lynn's number will be down at the bottom of the video. And I'm going to put Elisa's information on the post and also in the information on when I put it on YouTube so that people can find Elisa as well. So again, thank you for joining us. We'll see you later.